3 days workshop is conducted by Triple Foundation, CII, and our partner is MACLET Certifications. So these are the some do's.
एक बार Praveen.
Sir.
Just give me 5 minutes. Then
Okay.
अभी some people are asking that जो speaker है, speaker का video नहीं दिख रहा है. You can also switch on your video and people can see all of us.
Okay.
There is a comment. या आप लोग जब ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम होगा, ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम में डिपेंडिंग ऑन द बैंडविड्थ कुछ स्पीकर्स तो वीडियो ऑन करेंगे and some speakers will not be able to switch on their videos because these are all online sessions depending upon the bandwidth. First of all, I would like to thank you all for attending this pre-session. This is a trial session for resolving any kind of nomination and also entering into Zoom. You know, this application, some of us might be definitely doing it for the first time. So that's the reason why, as a practice, we are inviting everyone at least one day before the same time dot at 10:30, because from tomorrow onwards, we will be starting the program dot at 10:30. Start with our national anthem. Then we end at 3:30. That's with our pledge. So this program, Start Your Business, it will cover entire aspects that I will be telling you all the 3 days. How do we take you on to cover all aspects related to business? So now Praveen will be explaining you primarily what are the things that you have to do, what are the things you should not do. For example, keeping you need to sit in a very silent kind of room so that it will not be disturbing. We will be inviting some of you to the panel for the discussions. It is going to be a highly interactive session. It is not like a monologue, just in the TV it is coming and others are just listening. It is not like that. You will be interacting. We will also be asking some questions. You will be brought to the panel. Then we will be having discussions. There are going to be some exercises, some videos in this. So definitely a place, consider yourself, it is a self-disciplined classroom of your own, but at your house. And keep a notebook and pen with you, because the learnings that you are going to have, you can make a note of them. They are going to be useful throughout your life. Apart from that, the exercises that what we are going to give you during this course, those exercises also, they are useful and also needed to banks or any other funding agencies or other business organizations to claim that yes, you are a very serious candidate for Start Your Business. There are also schemes supported by Government of India and also local state governments. So you will be also receiving information on all the schemes that are much better for startups as well as for those people who are already running businesses. So with this, welcoming you all, and tomorrow we will meet at 10:30 a.m. We request you all should start joining at 10 a.m. And if there are any questions, we will even answer those questions from 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So every day, my request would be, please make it a point to join at 10 instead of waiting up to 10:30 a.m. So now, Praveen, over to you to explain the do's and don'ts. Then the do's and don'ts, what Praveen will be telling you, please also tell to other members of yours, whomever you know who will be participating in this program. I think with that words, thank you very much for being with us, and tomorrow onwards we'll see for next 3 days. Yeah, over to you, Praveen.
Shall we convert them as a panelist? Because there are 48 members out there.
Yeah, Praveen.
Shall we convert them as a panelist?
How many are there?
48 as of now.
48 है तो कर लो.
Okay.
अभी किसी और को बोलो, बट इस बीच में आप स्टार्ट करते रहो.
Yeah, Sachin. Sachin. Sachin, convert them. There is. Is my screen is visible?
Yes, it is visible. You can continue.
Okay, okay. Okay, here are some do's. What we have to do while this during this session, during this workshop. First, you have to install the Zoom app, but however, you already installed and that's why you came here. And second thing, can I speak in? Can I mix in Hindi and English? Is it okay for you?
Yeah, okay. Okay, you can mix both.
Okay. तो आप लॉगिन जूम इंस्टॉल करने के बाद एक साइन अप पूछेगा, वो साइन अप आपका रजिस्टर्ड मेल आईडी होना चाहिए, तभी तो आपका नाम यहाँ पे दिखेगा and your attendance will be registered here. मतलब आप ये इस वर्कशॉप का रजिस्ट्रेशन के समय जो ईमेल आईडी दिया है, ये ईमेल आईडी से आप जूम साइन अप करो. If you sign up with any other email ID, then your name will not be appear here and your attendance will not be registered here, recorded here. Okay. Then the third most important, because today also we seen that most of the more than 10 participants are joined with the meeting ID and password. If you join by the meeting ID and password, your attendance will not be recorded with us. You had to join only the received mail ID. So after registering, everybody will send a mail to every registrant. You had to join with that mail ID link only. In this issue, if you have any problems, then please call to me. I will share my number in this chat and as well as in WhatsApp group. This is the most important thing for monitor and record your attendance. Don't join by meeting ID and password because it has an individual link. The fourth important is every day the session will start at 10:30 a.m. Even not 10:31. So please join. The webinar will be open at 9:30 every day. So you may join within 9:30 to 10:30, but we start at 10:30. Don't go by late. And ends with 3:30 p.m. daily. So please join before 30 minutes to prevent this login issues, technical issues, everything. And next important is आपका इंटरनेट कनेक्शन का बैंडविड्थ एक बार चेक करना. जहाँ पे आपका बैंडविड्थ अच्छा होगा, वहीं से आप ये वर्कशॉप अटेंड हो जाओ. That's better because it requires minimum 2 Mbps का स्पीड होना चाहिए इस वर्कशॉप को without any disturbance आप सुनने के लिए. Okay, so please आपका इंटरनेट कनेक्शन एक बार चेक करो, मिनिमम 2 Mbps स्पीड का होना. नेक्स्ट, आपका अटेंडेंस बिल्कुल मॉनिटर होगा. हमारा के लिए एक पॉलिसी है, whoever attends all the 3 days, they only receive the certificate. So for certificate purpose, you have to attend all 3 days. If you have any technical issues, you can allow only 1 hour for all these 3 days. टेक्निकल इश्यूज हो सकता है क्योंकि आजकल का बैंडविड्थ थोड़ा बीच बीच में कट हो रहा है, तो 1 घंटे का हम रिलैक्सेशन दे सकते हैं, बट आउट ऑफ दिस द कंप्लीट सेशन इज फॉर 15 आवर्स. Day 1 5 hours, day 2 5 hours, day 3 5 hours. So out of 15 hours, 14 hours presence with attention is compulsory. आपको बीच बीच में आपको सर ने बताया था, बीच बीच में हम कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस, कुछ वीडियोस आपको दिखाते हैं. उस समय कुछ लोगों को हम रैंडमली सेलेक्ट करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है, there is no specific. So we'll select randomly. That time they have to come as a panelist, they have to on their videos and they have to speak out. If you are idle on that time, then you will lose to receive the certificate. So please ensure आपका active participation is most important to us, and at the same time minimum 14 hours का presence. Choose a quiet and uninterrupted place to sit. क्योंकि बीच बीच में हम सब लोगों को पैनल में लेके आते हैं, तो उस समय थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड आवाजेस या बैकग्राउंड वो नहीं आने के लिए, एस आपको ध्यान से सुनने के लिए, क्योंकि डिस्टरबेंस है तो आप भी ध्यान से नहीं सुन सकते. ध्यान से सुनने के लिए थोड़ा एक सेपरेट रूम पे बैठ जाइए. आप सेपरेट रूम जहाँ पे कोई आपका फैमिली मेंबर्स या कोई टीवी, कोई रोड का साउंड ना आना. प्लीज इंश्योर एक थोड़ा सेपरेट रूम पे बैठ जाइए, तभी तो आपका हम जो बोलते हैं आपको अच्छी तरफ आपकी तरफ पहुंचेगा और आपको भी फायदा होगा. एक नोटबुक एंड पेन आपके पास जरूर रखिए, बिकॉज एवरी डे will give you some notes and everything you have to note, otherwise बाद में 1-2 दिन के बाद में आप भूल सकते हैं. So please एक नोटबुक एंड ए पेन हमेशा वर्कशॉप सुबह 10 बजे से लेकर 3:30 बजे तक एक नोटबुक, पेन और एक पानी का बाटल भी आपके पास रखिए, ताकि पानी के लिए इधर उधर भागना नहीं पड़ेगा. Then charting, the another important is charting. Please use charting only for the आपको जो कुछ क्वेश्चंस है तो उसमें डाल दीजिए. ओके, only that to be break time पे will give you the answers for the chart questions, and of course as and when required also will give the answers. Audio should be mute. This is a webinar, so everybody is on as an attendee, not as a panelist, but as and when we call up them as a panelist, that time they आपका audio should be muted, but जब भी हमका आपका नाम बुलाते हैं उस समय unmute करना. Okay, then video, same thing, same rules for video also. पैनलिस्ट को बुलाने के समय आपका वीडियो ऑन पे होना है. Okay, participate actively for good learning. I think I covered this. Active participation is most important to good learning. तभी तो इस वर्कशॉप का फायदा आपको मिलेगा. Please raise your hand by clicking on hand symbol to ask question. Yes, this is also one of the most important. आपका स्क्रीन में एक हैंड का सिंबल है, हाथ का सिंबल है. आपको कुछ सवाल पूछना है तो उस हाथ में क्लिक करो. हम ब्रेक्स का समय उस आपको बात करने के लिए अलाउ करते हैं, आप बात कर सकते हो उस समय, not during the lecture of the workshop. Okay, तो आप रेज कर दो. आपको कोई सवाल है तो we are ready to give the solutions, but only breaks. What we should not do during this workshop: avoid formal messages. Most important, सब लोग आते आते गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम, गुड मॉर्निंग ऐसा सब लोग लिखते हैं चार्ट में एंड व्हाट्सएप में भी. तो सभी को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, क्योंकि ऐसा फॉर्मल मैसेज से रिमेनिंग लोगों को डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा. तो प्लीज डोंट type this type of formal messages. The exact thing what in your mind, what you want to know from this workshop, वो questions आप chat में लिखिए. Same thing in WhatsApp. WhatsApp may be formal messages and routine messages. Please don't type. If you have any queries, then please call to us. We'll ready to resolve your issues. Avoid procrastination. आपको जब भी सवाल आते हैं उसी समय पूछिए. Don't be delay. Delay है तो वो question आप बाद में बोल सकते हैं. You may forget that question whatever in your mind. तो जब भी आपका mind में कुछ सवाल आते हैं, write in a chat box or in a question and answers, okay, or raise your hand. These are three mediums to raise your questions. One is the question and answers, second one is the chat box, and third one raising hand. Okay, avoid unnecessary breaks during the session. Already बोल दिया मैंने. हम every day we have 2 breaks. One is the one tea break before the lunch session, and one lunch break. That's it. We have only 2 breaks. कभी कभी सेकंड हाफ में भी एक ब्रेक, थोड़ा लेंथी लेक्चर है तो बीच में हम ब्रेक दे सकते हैं. That depends upon the adjustment of time. बट जरूर आपको एवरीडे 11:30 से 12 के बीच में एक टी ब्रेक होगा और 1 to 1:30 आपका लंच ब्रेक. 30 मिनट्स का लंच ब्रेक है और 10 मिनट्स का टी ब्रेक. तो ब्रेक्स आप उसी समय यूज करो ताकि कुछ लेसन्स या लेक्चर्स मिस ना हो. Don't be afraid to speak up. Be active. Don't switch on mic. Already I told you. So these are the rules, do's and don'ts of this workshop. Thank you. If you have any questions, please ask. I think everybody is on panel. You can now unmute yourself. Sir, आपकी तरफ से कुछ?
हाँ है. You can जो spotlight video कर लो.
आपको करूं सर?
हाँ कर. Now let them ask questions.
Yeah. You can ask questions now.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes,
audible.
yes.
Sir, this is Amit Singh Chandel. I want to share a link in WhatsApp. I'm really sorry for that mistake. I did it by mistake, and I didn't know that my name will be visible with their email ID. So
ये request
I
है.
I
All
already
others.
deleted that.
सुनो, 1 minute. जब आपका, when one person is speaking, you please unmute all. कोई others should not mute. The others should be on mute. Mute all. Only one person, the speaker, will do that speaking. Yes, please. Yeah.
Sir, I have muted all. Please unmute, sir.
Okay. So अभी जो speaker था ना, ये साहिल मनोचा था. What is his name? Yes. तो आप unmute करके बात करिए.
Hello.
Yeah. Now okay. Audible. Please ask the question now.
Sir, this is not Sahil Manocha. Sir, I said I'm Amit Singh Chandel.
Okay. Amit Chanchal. Yeah. Ask the
Amit
question.
Singh Chandel, sir, and I request you, I kindly request you to, sir, ask all the participants to, delete to log in with their new email ID, because a lot of person are here in the meeting with the name like me, Amit Singh Chandel. So please, can you do that for me?
अमित सिंह जी, आपको क्योंकि ऑलरेडी आपने ग्रुप में शेयर किया था आपका मीटिंग आईडी एंड पासवर्ड, so this may be continue for up to 3 years.
So yeah,
So
I will deleted that link.
पता नहीं किसने शेयर किया, बट मैं आपको डिसेबल कर रहा हूँ. आप एक बार री रजिस्टर कर दो, then we'll give you the approval, then you will join with your own email ID, own link. Okay.
But I have already received a new log ID on my email.
No, this
Hello?
already your ID is shared to everybody. That's why so remaining also आपका नाम ही दिख रहा है रिमेनिंग लोगों को, तो आपको मैं थोड़ा डिसेबल करता हूँ। आप, मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है आपको एक बार री रजिस्टर करो, देन यू विल गेट अ फ्रेश ईमेल।
Okay.
Otherwise what happens that
Okay.
all the people will be on your name, so we don't know to whom the certificate is to be issued. So please re-register. Praveen will be sending you the link again. Re-register and you start joining only with that mail. And
Sure.
don't circulate it to anyone and don't put it in the WhatsApp group at all.
Okay, sure, sir. So I have to re-register with a new email ID.
Correct. Praveen will be sending right away today itself. In the soon after this meeting, you re-register so that you will be getting your own attendance. Otherwise, everybody will be getting the proxy attendance. अमित बोलता है तो 10 लोग हाथ खड़ा करेंगे, सर मैं भी हूँ, क्योंकि सारे लोगों का नाम अमित ही आएगा उस पे, इसीलिए। ओके, थैंक यू।
रिमेनिंग लोगों को भी मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, प्लीज डोंट जॉइन विद द मीटिंग आईडी एंड पासवर्ड।
यस,
अपना मेल चेक करो, अपना मेल को एक मेल आया हुआ है फ्रॉम द मैकलीड सर्टिफिकेशंस, ओके। every day 1 hour before you receive that reminder, so please click on that link only, that mail link only.
So we will get a separate link every day.
No, the same link, but there's the reminder link,
The same link which we have used today.
same link. You can use same link for every day, but every day 1 hour before we'll send a reminder.
Okay.
This is a second option. Otherwise, you can keep using only one link. That's good enough. And provided you are not shared that mail ID or your user, the Zoom ID and password to anyone, please do not share. That is only the requirement. Otherwise, what happens? They will, the moment they enter that ID and password, even there also your name will appear there. Okay, thank you.
Any other questions?
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yeah.
Yes, Anchal ji.
Yes. Would a recording be available for all the sessions for us to, get back at?
No, recording is not available to attendees, but we will share on live. We are giving you live streaming on Facebook. We will share the links. You can download from there.
Right. And after this workshop, would there be like some kind of a hand holding or maybe, some kind of a support that, an amateur would get after this?
Yeah, this is a good question that you have raised. We, in the previous batches, there were such interests expressed.
Right.
So there were around 15 to 20% they have done that. So we did a follow-up session with them.
Okay.
Some kind of mentoring process, but we will take a decision based on the seriousness with which one would like to start the business. You have to send your request, post your attending this, and you have to also demonstrate. During the program, we are also evaluating the participants.
Right.
But that call, we will take it post the session.
Right, sir. Thank you so much.
Right. Okay. Right.
Good afternoon, sir. Priyanka this side from Amity University. So due to the low bandwidth, I'm not able to join through the camera. But I would like to ask a question as to, sir, like Achal correctly said about the hand holding. So how would you decide, like, if we approach, to whom should we approach, like after the webinar?
Same contact number, email ID, the WhatsApp group. If you write, Praveen will be the contact person, and there is another person from our team, Sumita will be there. Sumita and Praveen
Yes,
are the contact points for this work.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Next.
Hello.
Also,
Yeah.
sir, just one more question. Sorry to interrupt again. So the certificates that you were talking about, would we be receiving the same on our email IDs?
Yes.
We will be doing in the closing ceremony. There will be some certificates will be distributed by chief guest.
Okay.
Others, everyone, but even after distribution also, they will also be getting by email only. It is all digital certificates.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Right.
Thank
Yeah.
you, sir.
There is another question that,
May I ask,
yes, please.
sir?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I just wanted to know whether you are able to see my face or not.
सर अभी क्योंकि वो डिपेंड करता है किस इक्विपमेंट से आप लॉग इन कर रहे हो.
नहीं, मेरा तो मोबाइल है.
मोबाइल है तो मोबाइल पे 1 मिनट मैं देखता हूँ. प्रवीण एक काम करो, इनको स्पॉटलाइट पे लेके आना.
BS अग्रवाल जी है ना?
यस यस.
हाँ, स्पॉटलाइट पे ले.
सर आपका वीडियो ऑन नहीं हुआ अभी.
आप खुद वीडियो ऑन करना है पहले तो.
पहले खुद वीडियो ऑन करना है.
वीडियो कहाँ से ऑन होगा? जस्ट
वहां नीचे देखिए जहां साउंड है ना, माइक है, माइक के बगल में एक वीडियो करके है.
वीडियो का सिंबल होगा. वीडियो का सिंबल होगा सर माइक के बगल में.
नहीं, ये माइक नहीं कहाँ, जो आपका स्क्रीन है वहां पर.
थोड़ा स्क्रॉल करिए सर.
आप एक काम करिए, पहले अपना मोबाइल का स्क्रीन पे एक बार उंगली लगा करके टच करिए.
बंद कर दूं क्या इसको?
नहीं, बंद नहीं करना, टच करना है, उंगली से टच करना है.
हाँ, कर दिया.
करते ही देखिए नीचे आपको बटन आ रहा है, एक म्यूट बटन, स्टॉप वीडियो, ऐसा कुछ, स्टार्ट वीडियो करके आएगा. एक वीडियो का बटन आएगा, माइक का बटन आ रहा है.
नहीं, म्यूट का आ रहा है, स्टार्ट वीडियो आ रहा है.
हाँ, वो उसके अंदर स्टार्ट करिए, उसको प्रेस करिए, स्टार्ट हो जाएगा.
हाँ, यस.
वेरी गुड. नाउ यू आर विजिबल नाउ. अगर वो ऑन करता है तो विजिबल हो जाएंगे. थैंक यू. ओके.
I really appreciate your concern that you are organizing such a nice meeting and with such nice words.
Thank you. Now this program, as Praveen has already mentioned, it is a contribution from Sleepwell Foundation. You will also see tomorrow the managing trustee of the foundation, that is Namita Madam, and also from CII. We have a colleague, Mr. Suman Nath is here. They are like backbones to the program. Apart from MacLead certifications, we are the knowledge partner for the program. Thank you. Definitely we'll see. Okay, any other questions, please?
So this video, we have to keep on always.
No,
or
not required. We will tell you when we call you to switch on the video. At that time, you have to switch it on. Otherwise, just keep it under, even mute पे भी रखना है, video भी बंद रखना है. Otherwise, आपका bandwidth इतना नहीं आएगा, आवाज clear नहीं आएगा आपको.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay.
Any other questions?
I think it's okay. We can take the questions later also. They can even type it in the WhatsApp group that has been created. So you are most welcome to do that. You will be getting the answers. And but I would also like to mention one more thing before we leave today. You know, you may be thinking that why Praveen is insisting so many conditions like do's and don'ts. There should be a silent room, notebook, no messages like this, and attendance is a must. You know, we have a concern. What the program that we are doing, it's for a serious purpose. The CII, Sleepwell, MacLead is putting the efforts. We would like to see that most of you from the group will become entrepreneurs and you will start your business. Today, our country, not only the country, for that matter, the whole world is also looking at many solutions that solve the problems. It is not that only a job solves the problem, even job giver is the more important person who solves many problems than job doer. That's why we want you to become a job giver to the society, add value to the society, create economic value, grow GDP of our country. Even our Prime Minister has been mentioning Atmanirbhar Bharat. There are many schemes that support the people who wanted to start their business. So that's the reason why we are putting all these. We want only the serious candidates to come here, not all. So that's the reason why. Please don't take it otherwise. Why are these conditions at all? They are for value addition to the learning process that we are intending to do that. With these words, we thank you all. See you tomorrow. 9:30 onwards, but 10:30 program starts dot at 10:30. Thank you all. Okay,
Thank you
Praveen.
all. We'll meet tomorrow. If you have still any questions, please drop in WhatsApp. Yeah, you can call to me. Thank you.
Sir, are you still there?
Yes, yes.
I'm asking just this webcam and the WhatsApp group, are those mandatory?
WhatsApp group better है, webcam is not required, but as and when required, it's वो तो चाहिए. Not every time. जैसे आपका नाम बुलाते हैं, आपको पैनलिस्ट में ऐड करते हैं, उस समय तो चाहिए.
अच्छा, तो
But उस समय भी bandwidth का issue है, is not required. It's not 100% mandatory.
So I don't have a webcam in my computer, so I have to
Not
log
an
in
issue.
from my
Not an issue. Your voice is important to us.
Okay, and I don't use WhatsApp, so is there the WhatsApp group is mandatory or not?
Because we will communicate through that WhatsApp. That is the reason we have created.
So the person invited me in this meeting. I mean, informed me about this meeting. He's in the WhatsApp. He's my brother, so I can contact with him. Is that a problem?
No, not an issue. The important thing is what we are communicating. That should be reached to you. That is important.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. You can leave now. We'll meet at tomorrow. You can join from 9:30 onwards. Session will start at 10:30.